Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over some basics on how to grease your wheel bearings. So I've got a couple different examples that we're going to go over. On this particular unit and many units that you're going to come across, you're going to have a rubber cap. Looks just like this on the wheel bearing. You might have a center cap that goes over this. That's maybe decorative or plastic. You might have to take that off. In this scenario, this one's open. You pop out your little rubber cap. Right here is your grease zerk. We have a battery-powered grease gun, but a hand pump one would work just fine. Simply stick this on the zerk, give it a few pumps. You'll see a little bit of grease come through there, and you're good to go. Now, if you don't have this kind of grease zerk on your coach, you'd actually have to take the whole wheel off, take the hub off to get to the bearing. Now, once you get everything off and to it, you should have some bearings that look just like this. They do make some devices that will pack them for you, but if you do it the old-fashioned style, put some grease in your hand, and you're going to pack the bearing, getting grease in every one of these little rollers right here, all the way around, and make sure you get some around the edges, and you're going to put it back the way that you had it. You're going to do that on every single wheel, put everything back together, and then you should be good to go. Now, you want to only pack your bearings usually once a year or every 5,000 miles, depending on which comes first. Most of the time, they don't need them if it's brand new. If it's a little bit older, got a lot more miles on it, you'll grease them a little more often, but those are some basic guidelines that you can use for, maintenance on the wheel bearings and things like that. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.